Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan and today, Tuesday 12 December 2023, I've only a few trade setups to discuss where my favorite directions will be long on the New Zealand, the CAD and the Yen, and short on the Pound, the US and the Euro. First pick of the day is a potential long on gold, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. Let's look at the gold chart. Now, dollar gained in strength yesterday, but I can see it's weakening again, which makes gold more bullish than bearish. But to identify the level was quite difficult, but I found this level here. You can see a lot of resistance support. Quite a nice market structure coming here, roughly about 1965. So when the market gets down there, I will then start to look at, and I will be cautious, because if you look at the candles here, you'll see long black candles and only small bodied candles when it retraces. So I don't see yet the same what I saw up there last week. I've been saying it a few times on the morning video that we see long black candles, small bodies when it goes up, and then long black candles as it comes down. And again we start with small candles, a little bit of a bigger one here, but that was the only sort of bullish candle since there actually, and it's not even convincing me. So I'll see if it comes down yet again and then hit this level. I need strong reversals of this support level. As long as the dollar stays weak, I will then look for longs here. On the Aussie Yen, Aussie much weaker than the Yen still, and we've identified this level yesterday in the trade zone between 50 and 61% market structure here, and I just need this to test. Once it tests, I'll then look for top candle reversals, and then I'll look for some shorts. The Pound CAD, this was on my list yesterday. It shot up, came down, and I was a little bit disappointed because it started to drop and I couldn't get an entry. I didn't see this as a shooting star. This body was too high, it was too long lower shadow. I marked the halfway mark here for a potential dark cloud cover. That didn't even happen. I hoped for a bearish engulfing. That didn't happen. So I never got the entry there, and then started to drop, and I feel like a bit silly. But now it's retracing, and we could test again. We're still in this triangle. You can still see a retest there. Not that it's that convincing anymore, more because it retested, didn't follow through. But I'll see if I get a strong reversal there. It is FOMC week. It's usually a much more quiet week when we have FOMC meeting, and it's usually a quieter week. I'll take my trades, but I wait for good solid setups as always. I don't do anything special on this week, guys. It's just straightforward. Still wait for just correct setups. That's it. That was not a correct setup, so I wasn't happy with that. Even if you look at the 1 hour charts, it cut through, stayed up there, came back down, not really on a nice candle pattern reversal. I couldn't find anything there, but I'm still going to watch this with the Pound very weak, losing speed, and the CAD slowly but surely gaining momentum. I am still good to short here. Euro Swiss, we got this retracement in a rising wedge. And now the break yesterday or last night, now we're going to need a little bit of a retracement back to retest. Once I get there, I'll get interested in selling short on candle reversals. You can see here the euro still the black sheep of the market. Swiss neutral regarding if you look at everything, but Swiss much stronger than the euro on an individual currency pair. Right, then the euro US, well, it's testing the level now. I've had this up yesterday also. Euro below the US. It's this in the same color. I'm not that keen, but it is there. It's the 61. It's a nice level. We got fractal there. We got market structure there. It's testing yet again there. I'll look for some shorts there, maybe a little bit on the 1 hours, and when the 4 hours confirms, I'll add to the trade. It's not one of my favorites purely because of they are in the same color down there, but nonetheless, euro still the black sheep. Dollar is stronger, but also losing speed, and we're busy seeing a consolidation coming in here. So if I don't get that, I'll do a little bit of a breakout, providing my RS tells me to do it. But at this stage, I'm fine with that level, and I'm going to try that short, but I'll be cautious. Then my favorite trade idea for today is a potential short on the US CAD. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos for you. Also, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my daily trade ideas. Now let's get back to the US CAD. The CAD forming a head and shoulders here for me. You can see the shoulder, the head, and the shoulder. Let's mark it like this. We've got the shoulder, the head, and the shoulder. Got a nice neckline from there to there, and it's testing that level now. It's testing that level now. Now, I would love to see a break, the retest, and then some form of a candle reversal. But I can have a close stop loss here, but I can have a tight stop loss there maybe with a target. If you take that distance from the head to the neckline, you add that to the neckline, that's the minimum target objective right at this market structure here. So I'm very keen on this. I'm very keen on this. This doesn't look bad at all. Yes, can you trade the straight break? Yes, you can. If you do that, then the stop should be up there. I will not on the YouTube videos. But yeah, definitely you can short straight on the break. Be nimble. I would like to get a confirmation. The break, the retest, and then the reversal, and then I'll definitely look for some shorts, providing obviously the US stays well below the CAD. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link in the description, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.